So now we're going to come into Decks and run the same thing. Come into Automate, Batch, choose the folder, click OK, choose where you want to save it. We're going to Decks, new folder, call it 1080 WebP, save it there, Decks, save it. So now it's going to label all those photos as they come in for 1080. We come back out, you can see as they're coming in right now again. So deck 1 is 111 kV and this one is 4.6. All right, so we got 39 photos still going. 45. Let's see how many that are actually here. 45 photos. So that one is done.